In Chapter 3, The Organizational Context, the authors delve into how multinational enterprises, MNEs, adapt their human resource management (HRM) practices within the context of different countries and cultures. They emphasize the crucial role of the organizational context and the challenges it poses to MNEs. Organizational context. 1. HR practices, policies, and processes are deeply intertwined with the strategic, structural, and technological framework of an MNE. 2. The administrative heritage of a company plays a critical role in shaping HRM practices. 3. Global firms need to operate effectively across diverse competitive environments while balancing their home context requirements. Geographical dispersion. 1. The size of a firm changes as it operates across different geographical locations. 2. This size change puts pressure on control mechanisms and may lead to structural changes. 3. As a company grows, there's an increased flow of information, impacting control decisions, like centralization or decentralization. Impact of cultural diversity. 1. Operating in different countries means dealing with diverse national cultures and languages. 2. This diversity affects how information flows within the company. 3. The host country's demands can influence the composition of the workforce, including parent country nationals, PCNs, host country nationals, HCNs, and third country nationals, TCNs. Control and localization. 1. Controlling cross-border operations centers on deciding what processes, routines, procedures, and practices should be transferred abroad. 2. The role of people is critical in this process. 3. Effective management of people is complex due to the diverse cultural environment of MNEs. HRM activities. 1. Expatriates are often used to ensure the successful implementation of work practices. 2. MNEs eventually replace expatriates with local staff, assuming they'll continue these practices. 3. This transition relies on the receptivity of the local workforce to corporate norms and the effectiveness of expatriates as agents of socialization. 4. The role of HRM activities becomes crucial in this context. Global standardization. 1. The aim of global standardization of HRM practices is to achieve consistency, transparency, and alignment among a geographically fragmented workforce. 2. Common management practices aim to promote equal treatment and a shared understanding of employee expectations. 3. Consistent systems enhance operational efficiencies. Impact of technology. 1. In today's digital age, technology plays a significant role in the organizational context of MNEs. 1. The adoption of digital tools and platforms has transformed the way HR practices are managed and delivered across borders. 2. Technology has enabled more efficient communication, data analysis, and talent management, making it easier for MNEs to coordinate HR efforts globally. Legal and regulatory considerations. 1. The organizational context also includes compliance with various international labor laws and regulations. 1. MNEs must navigate complex legal frameworks in different countries, which can impact HR policies and practices. 2. Adhering to these legal requirements is crucial for MNEs to avoid legal disputes and maintain a positive reputation in the global market. Strategic alignment. 1. Aligning HR practices with the broader strategic goals of the MNE is a critical aspect of the organizational context. 1. HR departments must ensure that their practices contribute to the company's long-term success and competitiveness. 2. The strategic role of HR goes beyond administrative functions. It involves talent acquisition, development, and retention strategies that support the company's global expansion efforts. Conclusion. Chapter 3 underscores the significance of the organizational context in shaping HRM practices within MNEs. It highlights the challenges posed by geographical dispersion, cultural diversity, control mechanisms, and the role of HRM in standardizing practices across borders.